द मैजिक ऑफ अलजेब्रा। आइए देखते हैं एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन एंड द क्वेश्चन इज एट व्हाट एंगल द टू हैंड्स ऑफ क्लॉक इंक्लाइंड एट 9:45 hours। मिनट हैंड swept 360 degree in 60 minutes, means 60 minutes is equals to 360 degree. Then 1 minute will be 360 upon 60, that is equal to 6 degree. R and swept 360 degree in 12 hours, means 12 hours is equal to 360 degree. So 1 hour will be 360 upon 12, that is 30 degree. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. It means in 60 minutes the R end will swept for 30 degree, and in 1 minute it will swap for 30 upon 60, that is half degree. Now first of all let us calculate this part. So first of all, R end. Let us see the R end. The initial point is 12. So it swept from 12 to this point. It swept 9 into, we know that 1 hour is equal to 30. That is 9 into 30 plus, and in 1 minute half degree, plus 45 minutes are there. So 45 into half degree. Then minute hand, it swept from this point to this point, and we can see that the difference between these two will be equal to angle between them. So minus 45 into 6 degree. Now we know that 9 3s are 270, and 45 into half will be plus 45 upon 2 minus 45 6 the 270. 270 minus 270 is 0. The angle will be 45 upon 2, that is 22.5 degree. So your answer will be 22.5. But now how we can create formula? Observe this solution carefully. 9 was that hours will be h and minutes will be m. So we have 9 hours, so we can represent it by h into 30, plus 45 was minutes, so m into half, minus 45 again it was minute, so m into 6. Now calculate it, add these two, we can say 30h plus m upon 2 minus m into 6 will be 6m. These two are like terms, you can add them. It will be 30h, and 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 1 will be minus 11 upon 2 m. So we can use modulus with it, because here the angle will be positive always. So this is the formula to calculate angle at any condition of time. Thank you. Have a nice day.